saving that oil there. Taking them to the car as well. The interesting thing is they're going to come in with someone. Someone that looks like it's been bumped in. Number one, that's very often to number one for Andrew Wilson. Maybe managed to hold that together, but he'll be one of but simply that caught his attention going through that area of the track. So right now with 4 minutes to go in the session, I'm trying to calm down, Alan, but I can't actually keep calm down because you've got to keep this up for an hour. There's hardly any laps. Finally, Ashton delivers a lap time that should be comparable with Adam Morgan. In fact, he's not. He's some 11 seconds away still. So these front-wheel drive cars really are a bit of a disadvantage. Change it. I wouldn't imagine changing Ample, thank you. Ashton can see back into the pit lane, so out then back in. With a lap time, well, Adam Morgan still fastest, then second place drop up 3.4 seconds away, and then now, Dan Campbell, there goes Tingers, Tom Ingram goes across the line, and we got Tingham there today. I'm still waiting for them coming through the post. He did promise to come, but it's just not arrived yet. First meeting and would not let him take part in qualifying. Remember that, you're not going to argue with that, are you? Going to the top of the times, last lap through, Tingham crosses the line, and he goes second by a tenth of a second. Across the industrial estate area down there. Really, I think he gets that to the transit, but he's going for another half. second of the session to go to the right now. That's something I can get round. With 20 seconds to the session to go, he is last on time right now. That's the big moment. Here at Thruxton, there goes Dan Camish across the line. Top of the times, Dan Camish, as Tom Ingham comes back into the pit lane in second place. Here comes Rob Rockles. Huffy got for us as Huffy crosses the line. Second flag flying for Rob Huff but that's now changed. It's now changed, so he is actually on a lap, but he's not on a lap, or is he on a lap? No, he's some 2 seconds away from Dan Camish, going through the middle part of the lap. There goes Scott Sumton across the line. There goes Ash Sutton. There goes Josh Cook. I'm convinced that nothing's going to happen here for Ash Sutton in the greater scheme of things at times as he crosses the line. He does go in. He gets through by the skin of so clearly the guys knew what they were doing in the Napa. But I'm very sorry, Alan, I was convinced to say outlap next to Ash Sutton on that one.